Did you know your body is currently generating more power than a smartphone battery? Right now, your brain is firing 40 billion electrical signals every single second of the day. Scientists discovered that your cell membranes have an electric field strength of 30 million volts per meter. That is equivalent to the raw power found inside a massive bolt of lightning hitting the ground. If you could harness every spark in your body, you would literally glow like a neon sign. But here is the twist. If your internal battery ever hit zero, your physical reality would simply vanish.